Doug, Thursday. Just finished working in the shop. I finished up about 12, 14 signs, put some outdoor Shiloh in there, some poly, got it all done. Now I'm on my way to the post office. I have one sign that needs to go today. Ooh. There. Oh, good. Now, okay. I'm at Lowe's here. Can you see me? I'm at Lowe's and buying some paint, wall paint. Need some wood filler, some lighting. Yeah. So that's the plan. Hopefully, it won't take forever. So, gotta get this all situated. And yeah, off we go. Philip. Yeah. Ready? Go. Got this Minwax wood finish solid color stain today at Lowe's, true black, and I'm gonna see what this can do. I'll have a test. The test board there, pine, pre-sanded. Never used water-based stain before. All my stains are oil-based. So we're gonna check this out. Ooh. Oh wow, this is different. Yeah. Wow. Oh wow. One coat color dries in 1 hour. 5 times thicker for easy application, more color, less grain. Well, we do want some grain. So what I'm gonna do is well, I'm gonna let this dry and see what it looks like in 1 hour, but not bad at all. right in front of the fan. Yeah. Put it down here a little bit. Nice airflow. All right. This is it for today. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.